I just got my second Sony ZV-E10 camera, so in this video I just want to do a quick unboxing of it. So the first thing I see is going to be a bunch of different booklets here, and then underneath all this we're going to have everything else. Now on the right side there's going to be some accessories, which includes this strap. There's also a USB-C to USB-A cable, this envelope which has this windscreen in it, the power adapter, and the NP-FW50 battery pack. And now on the other side is going to be the camera itself. So to remove the lens, simply hold down this button here, twist counterclockwise, and it pulls right off. Now right now I don't really have a cap for this, so I'm actually going to put this back inside just so no dust gets in it. And on the front side, it also does have this lens cover. And on top, we got all the buttons, which includes the on-off switch, the record button, a C1 button, switch between camera, video, and SNQ, and then this dial. And then finally, another shutter button over here, followed by this switch, which can help you zoom in and out. There's the grill on top, and then the hot shoe mount. Now on the side, right there, it's going to be the headphone jack or the microphone jack, and then the screen. Which the reason I got this type of camera again is because you could do that to it. You can just twist the screen. So if I'm recording myself like this, I can go ahead and see what's going on. I can twist it in various angles as well, and it's really convenient to use. Now at the bottom, there's going to be the tripod mount, followed by this switch, which when I pull it back, reveals the inside. So right here is where the battery goes, just like that, and a slot for an SD card. And let's see if this has some juice in it. All right, looks like the battery is dead. So I'm gonna grab another one of my batteries and then show you this. All right, so here's a spare battery I have. It's gonna be by the company Artman. And it's just gonna be inserted like so. And beforehand, I also wanna put an SD card here. So I did get the SanDisk Extreme Pro SDXC UHS1 card. This has 256 gigabytes. And there's the SD card. And then just same thing again, open this cap up and then fits right in here, and then just push it in, just like so. Oh, and then I saw like the red switch light up here, so it looks like, yeah, it looks like I forgot to turn off the camera. So let me turn it off, open the screen up, or actually let me flip it like this so you can get a better view. And then when I flip the switch, there it is. It immediately shows me the menu. So let me just set this up. So language, English, enter area and date, enter. So this is going to be, yeah, New York. Daylight saving time is, let me turn that on. Date and time, so it's going to be January 28, 2024, no, 2025. And it's going to be 12:10 p.m. Yep, and then enter. Date format, English, month, day, year. Yep, I'll stick to that. Enter. And also I could just click on the screen, I believe. Oh, okay, I guess not. I do have to use this dial. Now I'll go here for available applications, image editing. I'll just skip this for now. Now it's preparing image database file. Please wait. All right, and it's good to go. And immediately this just popped right out. So let me just remove the cap. And here you can see what it looks like. So what you're seeing right now, the current footage, this is actually going to be with the Sony ZV-E10 as well. All right, so there it is. So I can zoom in, and it zooms in pretty quickly. Zooms out pretty quick. And if I click onto something, yeah, it'll do tracking. So it'll focus on that. So the current footage you're seeing right now is going to be from a Sony ZV-E10, and that's because I have two of these now. You can see my other one that I'm recording on, but the difference is the lens that you're looking at is going to be different. This isn't going to be the OEM one that it comes with the Sony ZV-E10. This is going to be a Sigma lens, but if you want to see how the quality looks like compared to this onboard one, here you go. Here you go. So now here's a look at the camera. Here's a look at some light, so it's going to be pretty bright. And now let me face it towards myself. And I have them about the same distance apart. The Sony ZV-E10 that I just got is right above the other camera. And now what I want to show you is the differences between the microphones. So currently I'm using this DJI wireless mic 2 to record, but if you're interested in what the onboarded microphone on the camera itself sounds like, here you go. Here you go. This is a test, so you're probably gonna notice a really big difference in the mic quality, and here it is. I'm about a foot away from the camera now. Now I'm probably about 2 feet away from the camera. And this is with my arm fully extended out. So the audio is definitely going to vary from the onboarded microphone, whereas compared to my dedicated DJI microphone. All right, now back to the camera. So now if I want to see the footage that I just recorded, just press this button and I can press the middle and then it starts playing. And if I want to delete that, just press the delete button here and then go up and delete. But in this case, I'm going to keep this footage, so I'll cancel it. And then when I have pressed the shutter button again, it'll bring me back to recording. And here you can see how much footage I have left based on this SD card, 10 hours. And if I click the different button again, it sends me to a different mode. This is still recording, but instead this gives me 30 hours and 5 minutes. Click it one more time. And this gives me approximately how many photos I can take with it, which is 9,999. So this is simply camera. And you can also see that there's no black bars around it. I see the whole image. And then let me just take a quick picture. And here's what that image ends up looking like. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this camera considering I already use it. So I wanted a second one, so now I can get more angles for some videos. But yeah, that's a quick look. That's a quick unboxing of the Sony ZV-E10.